Hello everyone. As we know that life has a purpose, it has a goal. And without a purpose, without a goal, life is just dead inside. You know, all of us see dreams, and it's really challenging to materialize your dreams, to actualize them. It takes a lot of efforts, courage, but still sometimes we are not able to materialize them. Sometimes we are just dominated by the negativity and some insignificant events which really nothing has to do with your goals. The best way to achieve your goal is just the set your eyes on your goal and be blind for other things. Even do not notice other things because they has nothing to do with your goal. You know, sometimes we attach ourselves to our goal as that goal is our own extension. We feel that without doing this, we will feel our life is incomplete. If we have such kind of attachment to our goal, then it really become crucial for our own existence. And we cannot play with our existence. We need to be serious for this. The best way to achieve our goal of life, goal can be anything, it depends upon you because you are the writer of your own story. The best way that just look at your goal and other things will get vanish with time because they are really insignificant. All the obstacles will get vanish with time, they will disappear, and there will be only a goal which you want to achieve. Give your 100% to it, give your each thought to this, give your each breath to this goal. It's not only your mouth will speak, your hand, your body language, it will speak out. Just go to your field and work out, achieve it. It is known as passion, the passion for your own goal. Let's start working for this because I really want to do it. Thank you.